Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can copy contents from one file to another file using Python. So let's get started. Now I am inside my VS Code and I have created here two files, that is first.txt and second.txt file. So the text files. So here in the first.txt, here I have written some content. Hello, welcome. I am from first file, and the second.txt file is empty. So now I will copy all the contents from first.txt file to second file, okay, using Python. So to do that, we need to write here with open syntax. So I'll write here with, then open, and inside it I will specify the first file name. Let's say first.txt, and I will open the first file in read mode, because I will read all the contents from the first file, and then I will write that contents into second file. So for that, we need to open the first file in read mode and second file in write mode. So I'll mention here the mode as read, and then as let's say F1. Then we can specify open functions using you can specify one or more than one open function using comma also. So I'll give here comma, and I'll write here open, and inside it I'll write second dot txt, and I will open it in write mode. So I'll write here as let's say F2, and I'll write here colon and then hit enter. Here I need to run a for loop to read all the contents of the first file line by line. So for that, I'll write here for, let's say, line in F1, and then I will write here F2 dot write function, and I will write all the lines inside that F2 file. Okay, so that means the second file. Now if I run this file, then you can see the file was run successfully. So now if I move to the second.txt file, then you can see all the contents of first file is copied into the second file. Okay, so in this way we can copy the contents. So now if you want to append the contents, then instead of opening it in write mode, you can open it in append mode. Okay, so now if I run this file again, then you can see the file is successfully run. Now if I move to the second.txt, then you can see the first content is append inside this file. Okay, so the previous content is there, and the new content is append here. Okay, so in this way we can copy the contents from one file to another file in Python. This is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.